Hello everyone. Today we are going to begin with the concept of subtraction and its properties. What is subtraction? When we remove or take away objects from a group and count what is left, that process is called subtraction. Look at the example of this fruit seller. He has 57 apples in his shop, out of which he sold 34 apples to the lady. If you are asked to find out how many apples are left in his shop, what will you do? You will subtract 34 from 57, for which you will write 57 minus 34, which is equal to 23. Now, you can say that he has 23 apples left in his shop. Now we will learn the terms used for the numbers in subtraction or the terms of subtraction. From the previous example, we know that 57 apples minus 34 apples is equal to 23 apples. The number 57 from which we subtracted is called the minuend. The number 34 which we subtracted is called the subtrahend, and the answer 23 is called the difference. So the terms of subtraction are minuend minus subtrahend is equal to difference. Remember that usually a smaller number is subtracted from a greater number, which means that the minuend is usually greater than the subtrahend. Moving on to the properties of subtraction. Property number 1. The order of the numbers is very important in subtraction.
This means that if we interchange the minuend and the subtrahend, the difference will not be the same.
For example, if I ask you how much is 25 minus 14, you will subtract 25 minus 14 is equal to 11. But if the numbers are interchanged and you are asked how much is 14 minus 25,
the difference will not be 11.
So we can say that 25 minus 14 is not equal to 14 minus 25. Property number 2. On subtracting 0 from any number, the difference is always the number itself. For example, 59 minus 0 is equal to 59, or 275 minus 0 is equal to 275. But if we try to interchange the numbers and write 0 minus 59 is equal to 59, or 0 minus 275 is equal to 275, both these statements are incorrect. Property number 3. On subtracting 1 from a number, the difference obtained is the predecessor of that number. For example, 70 minus 1 is the predecessor of the number 70, which is 69. Or 330 minus 1 is the predecessor of 330, which is 329. Property number 4. On subtracting a number from the number itself, the difference obtained is always 0. For example, 82 minus 82 is equal to 0, or 657 minus 657 is equal to 0. A quick recapitulation before we end. The number from which we subtract is called the minuend. The number that is subtracted is called the subtrahend. We cannot interchange the minuend and the subtrahend. When we subtract 0 from a number, the difference is the number itself. When we subtract a number from the number itself, the difference is always 0.